for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Zig Zag Bowling. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for Zig Zag Bowling. I have 4 water bottles over here, slightly filled, just a little bit. And then I have 4 cones over here. Now, obviously, this could be modified and used, maybe use some shoes, maybe use some teddy bears, stuffed animals, whatever you guys have at home. You can use those instead of cones. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to start and you're going to have to do a zigzag pattern, kind of like you do in basketball, soccer training, right? You zigzag through cones. So you're going to zig, you're going to zag, go through, and then you're going to have to run back. Once you run back to your starting cone, you're going to pick up a sock ball and you're going to roll it. Make sure you step with your opposite foot, stay low to the ground, tick tock, and again, roll it, and you want to knock down the water bottles, just like I did right there. Now you get 2 tries. Now, if you are able to knock it down like I just did, so after I knock this down, I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to zigzag through again, and then I'm going to step up to the next cone, yellow, next one, green, and then to the white. Now, you're going to have 1 minute to try to knock down all of these water bottles, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll give this activity a try in just a moment. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. Zigzag through the cones. Come around, 2 rolls. Alright, that's 1. Moving on to the next cone. Zigzag. Come around. Oh, it's 2. Zigzag. Alright. 3rd water bottle. Alright, that's 3. Last one. Can Mr. Garcia do it? Zigzag. And time. With 25 seconds left to spare, Mr. Garcia completed level 1. Alright, so now here's the setup for level 2. Now level 2, I actually moved the water bottles out further back. They're about 6 feet away now. And instead of going just traditionally side to side, like we did round 1, round 2, we're actually going to go forward and backwards. So we're going to start here at the red cone. We go forward, back pedal, through the cone forward, back pedal, around, and then you get your 2 rolls. Now remember, you must knock down the water bottle in order to move on to the next cone. So get ready for level 2, and I'll start in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, all right, move on to the next one. In and out. That's 2. Move on to the 3rd cone. Oh, 3 cones knocked down. Last one. Oh, and time. All right, so for level 2, Mr. Garcia was only able to knock down 3 of the bottles. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Zig Zag Bowling. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activities. What different locomotor movements would you have chosen for this activity? Again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.